I'm just chill. I see a Dodge Charger. Oh no, I'm locked in. See you, kitty. Cutie. Got the RCF parked over there, but guys, anyways, guys, it's been raining all week, as in like it's been raining on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Today's the only sunny day, so you guys already know that I kind of had to take this opportunity and kind of take the RCF out. Now the problem is I really don't have plans. Yeah, guys, that's what this video is going to be about. I'm gonna try to run any and every car I see on the highway with the RCF, and let's see how that turns out. Hopefully I can find a car. Hopefully I can find that AMG Mercedes again, because I do want to run that AMG. It turned out to be a C63, so I think if I could find it, or a C63, or honestly anything that, you know, kind of competes with the RCF, that would be a pretty fire thing to do. And I'm gonna be honest, guys, today, right, I don't feel like being nice today, so I'm gonna be honest, like, I think any car I see, like, I really don't care. Like, it could be a Civic. Like, a Civic today could get cooked. Yeah, guys, that also means anything. That means if I see a GTR on the highway, I'm gonna try to race that GTR. If I see a G82, I'm gonna try to race that G82. Anything I see except, you know, obviously, guys, except the Popo. But I should probably put some E85 if I plan on doing this, right? Yeah, that would probably be smart. Let's go fuel up with some, probably E85. Sheesh. This thing looks even better in person. Man, I gotta check my fluids first though. Pop that bad boy. Ooh. Yo, I'm gonna be honest, it feels so good today also. Like, for the past few days, it did not feel like summertime, but today, we are back in summer. I'm gonna check my oil. This is how you guys know I'm being serious. I'm checking my fluids, okay? I'm pretty good on oil. Slide that thing back in. What else? All right, guys, we are good to go get smoked and smoke cars also. First, we need some gas, because obviously V8 things, you know, V8 things in the Bronx. I mean, in Mexico. Also, guys, I don't know why everyone, well, I won't say everyone. I feel like this is like, people are split 50-50 between the steering wheels. Some people love it, some people hate it. Some people think I'm a crash, some people think I'm a, I don't know. But anyways, guys, I love it. As long as I love it, that's what matters, I feel. But anyways, I'm talking too much. I gotta get some gas, and I'm sweating. So change of plans, actually. I know it says something about E85, but I realized the E85 station is actually out of the way. So I'm gonna just put some good old 93 on this. Should I go through the spot with the speed bump or the spot without the speed bump in the lowered car? I'll choose the speed bump. It's a faster route anyways. Tell me you live in New York without telling me you live in New York. People are double parked everywhere. All right, gotta take this bump at an angle. If I scrape, then I gotta sell the car. Hey, no scrapes. I'm keeping the car. It's time to wake up, y'all. It's 12 in the afternoon. I'm gonna stop being a dickhead. That's not nice. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna just catch you guys at the gas station, all right? We made it to the gas station, and it's a bit packed, right? Now, I could just go over here, but this guy is blocking me. But his gas tank, right? I'm not sure if you guys can see. His gas tank is on the left side. Why ain't he just reverse park there and just, you know, do gas? Because now you're stopping me from going. I don't know. Sometimes you just have to show people what you're talking about. I did exactly what she could have done. What? But instead, she sat there for like a whole, I don't know, 10 minutes. Anyways, guys, let's do some gas. Guys, so as I said earlier, right, I'm not gonna put E85. So instead, right, I'm gonna just leave the car at a half tank, half full. I think it should give me the same power, you know, gains with E85. So I'm gonna just do a half tank. If the tank is half, you know, it means the car isn't that heavy anymore. So I'm probably cutting maybe like, I'll say 20 pounds of weight. That should be the equivalent of, I guess, having E40 in the car, sort of. Actually, I think E40 might be like maybe 60 pounds off. I don't know. I might be chatting, but anyways, this time we are not filling up the car by accident, because in the last video, I think, right, I filled up the car by accident and it was, yeah. I'm gonna just do 20. 20 should be safe, I think. No. I'm gonna do 21. So we have $23.17 in gas, and that's about 5.268 gallons, right? It's time to go. Open this up. Sheesh, look at that interior with Kenpachi. Shout out to Twinzilla, aka Austin, right, for getting me this Kenpachi stuffed toy for my birthday, bro. This is like one of my favorite like mods to the car. Yo, I love Kenpachi. Anyways, guys, it's time to smoke any car, or it's time to get smoked by every car. I'm just hoping that I run into, like, you know, some pretty cool car, and hopefully people are in the mood to, I don't know, have some runs in. If not, it's all good. But I'm gonna be honest, guys, I'm a downshift next to any, well, I wouldn't say any car, but I'm a downshift next to like cars I think might give me like a good run. And let's see what happens, right? All right, guys, and enough of me talking. Let's hit the road. What, you guys? I already see some heat. Ah, shit. Remember that last time in Mexico? Hopefully we could get out of this traffic and see what happens. Hopefully. All right, guys, but I'm gonna just cut the video and I'll see you guys next when I'm out the traffic. Let's see what happens. So far, guys, there's no luck. So I'm just trying to do a downshift under every underpass. Something about doing a downshift near a RAV4 and an RCF, it just doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel right at all. Where are all the cars? It's Saturday, guys. It's Saturday. That was pretty neat and clean. All right, so we made it to a pit stop, aka my favorite stop. If you guys know, you know. If you don't know, you just don't know. But I'm gonna be honest, I'm thirsty and I kind of have a headache, so I'm gonna go grab something to drink, and we are gonna try this one more time. I don't know why I'm not seeing any cars. Like, guys, it's sunny. It's been rainy all week. Where are all the fun cars at? I saw a Mercedes, I saw an M3, right? Now I don't see them anymore. I don't know, it kind of feels weird doing a downshift near stock cars. It just feels weird. Thank you. So guys, I'm gonna keep it simple. All I want is some water, you know, just some H2O, you know. How much more simpler could it possibly get? There you go, H2O. Water. All right, guys, we got the package, we got the water, we are hydrated. Well, soon. Push this open. Look at this little thing that everyone on TikTok, I don't know, for some reason hates because it's not 1,000 horsepower, but hey, it is what it is. It's a beauty. And all right, guys, we gonna try this again. I'm gonna hit the highway. I'm gonna downshift near every underpass or through every underpass until hopefully a car comes along and hopefully wants to give me a run for its money. Hopefully that happens. In my head, it sounds like a perfect plan, but I know reality has other plans. Sheesh, bro, you trying to run it? You want to run it? I'm just playing, you know. It's just an old man, you know, well, an elderly man. But yeah, guys, we out. But damn, now he got a muffler delete. Oh, okay. It's not that bad, right? Maybe I should go find him on the highway. If you guys know what I mean. I'm not sure if this Acura wants some action. I don't know. Let me see it. I'm just chill. I see a Dodge Charger. Oh no, I'm locked in. Let's see. Let's see. Oh. I'm not sure this man is trying to have fun. I've been downshifted next to any and every car possible, right? Even a Dodge Charger, right? But for some reason, I don't think anyone's interested, right? Anyways, guys, I'm gonna try this again in a later video, and hopefully I can find a few races. Let's head back home.